Himaji, your association with Gulzar Saab goes a long way. You started doing films with him at the time when you were a top commercial actress. What prompted you to do artistic films with Gulzar Saab?
Because I was always wanting to work in an artistic film. I was actually waiting for an opportunity if I ever get. And that's the time I used to work quite a number of films with Jitendra. So he was making this film Khushbu, and he offered me that Gulzar ji will be directing this film. So I was immediately so thrilled and I accepted the movie because I wanted to do something different and very down to earth kind of roles at that time. Because in all other films I will be wearing some bell bottoms and roaming around with all kind of different wigs and all. But Gulzar ji completely gave me a very different lovely image in Khushbu.
What was your working experience with Gulzar Saab?
The first thing, I had to be in time on the set, which I never used to be. So a little friction used to be there. But it was really a pleasant memory working with him.
Now let's say your image in Khushbu, was it your own created? How much was it Gulzar Saab and how much was your own?
It was entirely he created that. It was nothing my contribution in that because I didn't know what I'm supposed to do. But he was the one, because since he knows the character what I was playing, such a strong women's role. Now I realize what role I played at that time. At that time I was too young to realize, understand many things. But he molded me to that. And I used to have the habit of speaking very fast. And he used to keep on controlling me. And being a dancer, I used to do a lot of eye movements, Especially my eyebrows will keep moving here and there. So he'll say, no, don't do all that. And I will tell him that, ek baar aap karke dikhaiye, then I will do. So he will perform and show me. So exactly like that I used to try to copy it.
Now Gulzar Saab gave you Khushbu, then he gave you also Meera and yet another film.
Yes.
Now, do you think after working with you the first Khushbu, he saw the strong woman in you?
Maybe he saw it, but I didn't even know that I was anything at that time. He has noticed certain thing in me which I was not realizing what is in me. It is the director who always sees, no?
Now, your Kinara, what memories do you have of that beautiful film?
Kinara, I remember many people suggested because I was playing the blind girl's role. They wanted me to use a lens, contact lens, and I am not at all used to. I cannot use anything. Then I was sent to this eye. Some specialist, and then they gave me this. I said, I can't wear it. No, then how that thing will come if you are not going to wear the lenses? I said, I'll try my best to perform without using anything. And I think I was able to do it.
Did you have problems doing this? I mean, real problems doing
No, it was no problem at all. While working with Gulzar ji, there is no problem. Everything is taken care by him. You have to just go and perform your best.
Directors, what makes Gulzar Saab different in your view?
Because he is different from others.
Himaji, any particular reason that made you really work with Gulzar Saab?
You want to work with Gulzar ji because he's very different. And at that time, I was working in different kind of, commercial movies. You know what kind of movies they were. So any artist would love to work in his film because it was so different, and you would love to be very serious, and you get an opportunity to perform your best. Those are the qualities which makes the artist work with him.
And you didn't mind compromising on your price for him?
Yeah, definitely. We used to compromise a lot because we are working with Gulzar ji.
Thank you. All the best.